Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video we're taking a look at this Roomba with error 26 when we try to boot it on. We're gonna go straight to a fix that will fix your Roomba in almost any cases. So to do it, you will only need a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver. In fact, I have two screwdriver here. It's because there is small screw inside and mine is a bit too big for the screws inside, but it's doable, but it's just a little bit more hard. So if you have two size screwdriver, this can be useful. I've used this one to repair controller in the past, as you can see in the channel, so I will keep it aside for further repair. So first thing you need to do, you need to remove the bin right here. So once the bin is removed, you can put it aside. And now I'm gonna remove all the screws that are here. First that we can remove is the arm right here. You unscrew it with your screwdriver and you can just remove it like this. Then there is 5 other screws. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here that you need to remove. You don't need to touch any of the screws that are here. These are not, it's not necessary to remove them for this fix. So once you have removed this, you can put it aside too. And what we will change to fix the error is the cleaning head module, which is this part right here. So we need to take another screwdriver and we will need to remove 4 screws in order to access the cleaning head module. So there is one here, one here, one here, and one here. You can unscrew them all, and after you can lift up the cleaning end module. This module is connected here with some connector beneath the module to the Roomba. So what you can do to lift it up, what I suggest is to start by this side. You can grab those 2 parts here and it will make it easier to lift it, and you can wiggle it around. The problem is if you grab it by the top of the Roomba, this is movable part, so you might break them. So be careful. I know this is a faulty part, but you know, if you want to keep it or for any reason, try to be careful. Or if you try just to inspect your Roomba and want to reassemble it after, you need to pull it by this side. It will be easier and it will be really easy to lift him up. So once you put this aside, you can order a new cleaning head for your Roomba right here, and I ordered it directly from iRobot. It was the cheaper. I will put the link in the description if you want to order one yourself, but I got this one right here. So here you go. Here is the module, and it's really the same as the other one, so I'm gonna reinstall it exactly the same as the other. We're gonna put it right here and it fits exactly like it should do. Then you make sure that your screws are lined up. Once they are lined up, all you have to do is to screw them back on. And you know, this is a pretty easy fix. It can be done in minutes. I think that the longest part is to wait for the module to arrive by mail. But once it's arrived, I think you have a pretty easy fix to do. It can be, it's not that expensive. I think I pay 800 Canadian dollar for the part. But once it's changed, your Roomba will work as new and you don't have to buy a new one. So once you have all the screws are put in place, you just put back the cover of your Roomba. You make sure it fits correctly, just like this. Then you can screw it back on with the same screw that we saw in the beginning. Once it's done, you put the bin back in place, and after that you can put back the cleaning arm in place, the brush, and your Roomba should be now fixed. So as you can see, it's a really easy fix. It takes less than 5 minutes to do, and now your Roomba is fixed and can clean your home again. What you can do to make sure that the error does not come back is that you flip your Roomba over and you will hold the clean button for about 15 to 20 seconds to perform a reset of your Roomba. What it will do is that it will reset, clean the error that can be still in the memory of the Roomba, and it will make the error 26 disappear. Then you can put it on the floor and try it to make sure that it's working properly. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.